did was I
grinded it.
Well, no, I roasted it as a breast. I roasted it for about 45 minutes till it was just about cooked through.
Yeah.
Then ground it all up.
Yeah.
Then I mixed it with cream and onions and a bit of Tabasco, some hot sauce, and fuck me.
You put it on a spread?
Yeah, and it doesn't taste like...
See Birdsdale?
Get a flag up.
10 o'clock low.
Yeah, over there.
Oh shit, wait. Fuck me, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock on the horizon, coming right at us.
Where?
What? 9 o'clock on the clock.
Oh yeah, the big plot there. Okay, yeah, got him. Got him.
Oh yeah, I see them.
Nice. Better have your gun ready, see? Just off to the left. Oh, we're gonna go. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. Oh yeah!
Hurrah!
Yeah.
Bird's coming in the other way, guy.
Yeah, we got more fucking birds.
Look, bird's coming in right here too. From the...
Yeah, we got them everywhere. We got them at 3 o'clock in the sun.
Right above us. Right above our heads, boys. Right up there, look.
Try and bring both birds in.
Come here, you bastards.
He's got one.
There's 4 coming up. Here comes 4. Here comes those other ones too.
Yep.
We had a couple good shots there yet.
Yeah, it's just me that hasn't hit a goddamn thing all day.
Well, you knocked that one. You did a real nice job on that one.
No,
Yeah.
it was yours. Nice try, Dale.
No, it wasn't me. Definitely yours.
Oh, there you go. Oh, there's a good.
Is she hot?
I'm tired, I think.
It's tough work. There's no
Yeah,
question
yeah.
about that.
Deep snow, right?
You tired, Luna? She's out of shape. She hasn't been hunting in a couple
Not
weeks.
even looking at you, Dad. Can't you guys shoot some small
Oh,
birds?
there they are.
Where? Oh, we have one.
All right,
One.
get in the blinds.
You're two. I think you
I ain't nothing but a simple man. They call me a redneck.